I'm Pawan Thakur with Thakur Property Consultancy. Every major business decision ultimately rests on a single variable, the accurate measurement of a specific moment's value. Within the Hindu framework, time, or kaal, is viewed as a deeply mathematical, cyclical architecture. It is a system of repeating geometric patterns rather than a simple linear progression. Modern science relies on atomic clocks and technician-led calibration to track time at the microsecond level. Yet 1,600 years ago, Indian astronomers calculated these same microsecond intervals using only massive stone instruments and complex geometry. They achieved this accuracy without telescopes or electronic sensors. These calculations create a direct mathematical link between the trillion-year lifespan of the universe and the exact window of a single human decision. The blueprint for this logic is the Surya Siddhanta, an astronomical text originating during the Gupta Empire. Stripped of its mythological framing, the text functions as a rigorous mathematical system designed to measure time across every scale of existence. It divides time into two categories: amurta, the immeasurable infinite, and murta, the measurable units used for practical calculation. We will decode these murta calculations to see how specific cosmic cycles define the 48-minute window of optimal action, known as the muhurta. The Surya Siddhanta operates as a scientific framework because it separates philosophical questions about infinity from the practical necessity of calculating measurable time. The system begins at the smallest measurable unit, the true T. A single true T lasts approximately 30 to 300 microseconds, a duration that matches the processing frequencies of modern computational hardware. To scale upward from this micro level, astronomers used a sexagesimal or base 60 system. 60 true T combine to form one Renu. The progression remains constant. 60 Renu multiply to create one lava. This multiplication continues through the lipta and into the prana. Here, the math meets biology. One prana is roughly 4 seconds, the duration of a single human breath. From the prana, the scale moves to the gati, a block of 24 minutes. This creates an unbroken mathematical chain from a microsecond to a human minute. This microsegmentation demonstrates the Hindu timekeeping system is built on rigid geometric logic, not arbitrary numbers. With the microscopic units established, we can see how these minutes govern human behavior and daily life. The system tracks Earth's rotation relative to the fixed background stars, a measurement known as the sidereal day, or nakshatra ahoratram. The Surya Siddhanta divides this rotational cycle into exactly 30 equal segments. Dividing a 24-hour cycle by 30 results in a duration of exactly 48 minutes, or 2 gatikas. This 48-minute segment is the muhurta, the primary temporal unit for decision-making. This unit is used to calculate optimal windows for marriage ceremonies, major medical procedures, and business launches. The muhurta acts as the functional bridge between measurable time and intentional behavior, aligning human effort with celestial mechanics. Maintaining this precise 48-minute accuracy over many centuries requires a way to account for the Earth's physical movement. The solution is the ayanamsa, a corrective mathematical system designed to track the precession of the equinoxes, the slow axial wobble of the Earth. Western tropical astrology ignores this wobble. Consequently, the tropical zodiac has drifted 23 degrees out of alignment over the last 2 millennia. The ayanamsa system recalibrates the calendar against fixed stars, ensuring calculations are based on true celestial coordinates rather than an outdated map. Ancient scholars calculated this corrective offset over a millennium ago, relying entirely on geometry and naked eye observation. This self-correcting framework provides the muhurta with objective mathematical validity that remains accurate regardless of how many centuries pass. These same sexagesimal ratios scale upward into the macro dimension, or sthula, to measure the cosmos. The macro scale centers on the Mahayuga, a span of exactly 4.32 million solar years. The math compounds further. 71 Mahayugas form a Manvantara, and 14 Manvantaras create a single kalpa. A single kalpa spans exactly 4.32 billion years. It represents a complete, violent cycle of planetary creation and dissolution. Within this cycle, we occupy the Bhadrakalpa, specifically the 28th Kali Yuga of the 7th Manu. At the absolute limit, 100 years of these cycles equal a Mahakalpa, 311.04 trillion years, the calculated lifespan of the universe. By using the same measurable math for both human seconds and cosmic ages, the Sirius Siddhanta creates a truly unified model of time. We have followed the logic from a 30 microsecond Truti to a 311 trillion year Mahakalpa. These scales operate like an interlocking gear system. The rapid microunits drive the human scale, which meshes perfectly with the slow-moving cycles of the galaxy. The Surya Siddhanta integrates rigorous scientific calculation with spiritual utility, ensuring that mathematical precision serves a practical human purpose. The 48-minute Muhurta is the transmission point where this cosmic momentum is converted into human action. Understanding time requires recognizing it as both a physical phenomenon, calculable through math, and a dimension that can be aligned with human effort. This requirement for precision applies directly to the physical world. Just as a calendar requires a corrective offset to remain accurate, a property requires a specific alignment to retain its value. Real estate and astronomy share a core principle. Long-term stability is the product of perfect alignment between timing and location. At Takur Property Consultancy, we apply this same rigor to our market analysis. We understand that a legacy is built by making the right move within the right window of probability. For property investments that stand the test of time, contact Pawan Takur at 900-435-2787. When you master the mathematics of the moment, you secure the foundation of your future.